Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Welcome back to day 7 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. And boy, have we got a cool prize for you today. It's a mystery drone. I have it right over here, and I'll show it to you in a minute. But first, what does Santa Claus like to eat for breakfast? Missile toast. You're going to tell that joke later, and people are going to laugh, I promise you. Anyway. On the 7th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new drone. That's right. You're getting a Holystone HS-175D. It's a beautiful drone, and it comes in a really nice carrying case as well. And you can fit the drone, the controller, there's extra battery in there, it's got extra cables and props, everything you need to fly the drone, you can fit into this tiny little case, and here's the drone. Look at that guy. It's a beauty. It's a mid-sized drone. It's not a small drone. It's not a giant drone. It's a mid-sized drone, but it's perfect. It sort of fits right in that Goldilocks zone where it's small enough to take with you anywhere, but big enough to fly and have a lot of fun with outside. And it folds up tiny. It folds up to about the size of a soda can, so you can put it in the case, throw it in your bag, and take it with you anywhere. Now, the drone is pretty sophisticated. It's got GPS coordination. It also has VIO on the bottom, so it's really stable up in the air. It has the ability to do waypoints. It's got a 4K camera in it. It can fly for 23 minutes on a fully charged battery, and there are 2 batteries in the kit, so it's really everything you need in a mid-sized drone, and it's the perfect drone to fly if you've been cooped up all winter flying a small drone in the house, or if you're somebody new to the hobby. This is exactly the drone you want to take on vacation, fly over that beautiful lake or the ocean, or get some great pictures of your family, and we're giving it away. Now, the contest could not be simpler. Down below in the comments, you'll see a link. Click that link, a form will pop up. Put your email in there and your YouTube username in there. And what we'll do is collect up all the names. We're not going to keep them. We get rid of them. We're not going to spam you with a bunch of stuff. But I need a way to get a hold of you. So after 7 days, we're going to pull a random name out. We're going to send you an email and say, hey, good news. You won the Holystone drone. Send us your shipping address. We'll put this in a box and we'll send it right off to you. Now, I get this question a lot. I don't care where in the world you live. You could live anywhere on the planet. We'll get this drone to you if you win. Now, I'm going to pick on one of the U.S. states because I've had a lot of fun with the U.S. lately. And we got a lot of wacky towns. But this one is kind of a cool one. It's Peculiar, Missouri. Now, I wondered about that. It's a peculiar name. The town's name Peculiar. It's a bit of an interesting quandary there, but apparently they couldn't decide on the name of the town, and they called it Peculiar, I guess. I don't know. Now, what's interesting about that is they have a great slogan, and the slogan is, where the odds are with you. I like that. I really like that. Where the odds are with me. I'm going to have to visit that town and fly a drone. It really sounds like a cool place. But anyway, you could live in Peculiar, Missouri. We're going to put this in a box and ship it to you, or anywhere else on the planet, because we just love giving stuff away at this time of year. It's Christmas, especially drones, because if there's somebody out there that's thinking about getting into the hobby and they haven't flown a drone yet, and they're thinking, gee, I don't know, it sounds fun, but I really can't do it, we're going to send you the drone, and nothing makes me happier than knowing somebody new put a drone up for the first time and experiences the delight that we all feel. I mean, I'm like a kid when I put a drone up, I'm smiling ear to ear, my eyes are glassed over. I'm just having so much fun flying that drone around, and I know you will as well. So enter the contest. I'll be happy to send it to you, and we'll just be really, really happy that somebody got a drone to fly. Anyway, today's day 7. We have 5 more days. Now, these other 5 contests, oh man, they're going to get good. And you might picked up a clue there. I called it Mystery Drone 1. What does that mean? Is there a Mystery Drone 2? Could be. Could there be a Mystery Drone 3? I don't know. We'll have to see. Stay tuned to find out. I feel like it's the old Batman show. Stay tuned next week to find out. But anyway, if you've missed any of the contests up till now, there are some that are still active. Go back on those previous days and enter those contests because there's a lot of good prizes we're giving out this year. But definitely enter today if you're interested in flying this drone. And that's pretty much it. So thanks an awful lot for watching. We really appreciate the viewership and the support you've shown the channel over these last couple of years. It just delights me to know people out there love technology like I do and like to listen to me ramble on about that technology. So it warms my heart to know that's going on. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.